How to delete your Snapchat account. First, open the Snapchat app and click on your profile icon in the top left corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the settings gear in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Now, scroll all the way down until you find the Help Center option. Tap on that. Once you're in the Help Center, click on the search bar and type Delete My Account. You should see an article titled, How Do I Deactivate or Delete My Snapchat Account? Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll see a link that says Snapchat Account Portal. Tap on that link, and it will take you to the deletion page. Now it's time to log in. Enter your username or email and hit the Next button. After that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Once you've typed in your password, click Next again. You'll see an option that says Delete My Account. Click on it. Your Snapchat username will already be mentioned at the top, so just confirm your decision by entering your password one more time in the field below. Finally, click on Continue, and that's it. Your Snapchat account is now deactivated. Snapchat gives you 30 days to reactivate your account if you change your mind, but after that, it will be permanently deleted.